स्थापकं सदा विमुक्तिसाधकं कलाधरावतं सतं विलासिलोकरक्षकम्।
Hello everyone, we are from Basaveddi BA and BCom College, Samhanagar, Dharwad. My name is Anita. I am handling cost accounting subject for BCom 6th sem students. Last class we have discussed the operating cost sheet and the types of operating cost and the problems based on operating cost. In this class the same sum based on the operating cost I am going to discuss with you all. Problem number 2. A transport company owns 4 buses, each 40 passengers. The firm provides transport between 2 towns, which distance is 50 kilometers each. A bus makes 1 round trip per day. 30 days in a month, on an average 75% sitting capacity is there. Okay, the additional information: wages 12,000, office salary 5,000, diesel 20,000, depreciation 13,000, repairs 5,000 rupees, insurance 8,000, interest 10,000, resale value 1,000. Calculate cost per passenger kilometer. Okay, they have given. We have to first calculate the total passenger kilometer. Then we have to calculate the operating cost sheet. The first working note is calculation of total passenger kilometer. Working note number 1. Calculation of total passenger kilometer. Passenger kilometers. The formula is number of buses into number of days into number of buses, number of days into number of trips into distance into sitting capacity into percentage of sitting capacity. Percentage of sitting capacity. Number of buses. Total number of buses is 4. Number of days 30 days into number of trip. 1 round trip ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ರೌಂಡ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್. 1 trip 1 trip 2 trips ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 2 into distance kilometer 50 kilometers into sitting capacity. Sitting capacity, the firm providing transport of between 2 towns. The sitting capacity is 40 passengers. 40 into percentage of sitting capacity 75 divided by 100. 75 divided by 100. 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. Get cancel. 40 into 30 into 2 into 5 into 4 into 75%. That is 3,60,000. 3,60,000 is our total passenger kilometer. The first one is number of buses, number of days, number of trips, sitting capacity, and the percentage of sitting capacity. Number of buses 4, number of days 30, trips round trip ಅಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹೋಗಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ 2 single trip ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1. Distance is 50, sitting capacity is 40, and the percentage of sitting capacity is 75%. 3,60,000. This is working note number 1. Next, working note number 2. Calculation of operating cost sheet. Operating cost sheet or operating cost. Inner column and the outer column. Particulars, rupees. First, we have to classify which all are the fixed cost and semi-variable cost and the variable cost. Wages fixed, office salary fixed, cost of diesel. Cost of diesel comes under variable. Depreciation. They have not mentioned ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ if it is in kilometers ಅಂತ ಏನು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. So that it is fixed. Repairs semi-variable, insurance fixed, interest fixed, resale value we have deducted from the repairs, so that it is semi-variable. Okay, the first head is fixed. Fixed cost. In that, the first one is wages. Wages 12,000. The next one, office salary. Office salary 5,000. Okay. The next one, depreciation. Depreciation 13,000. The next one, insurance. Insurance 8,000. The next, interest. Interest 10,000. Okay. I hope all fixed costs are over. The next one is semi-variable. In that, the first one is repairs. Repairs value 5,000 minus resale value. Resale value 1,000. 5,000 minus 1,000, 4,000. 12,000, 5,000, 13,000, 8,000 and 10,000. Total is 48,000. The next, the third one is variable. Variable cost. In that, diesel. Cost of diesel rupees 20,000 directly in the outer column. Okay, only one variable cost is there. 40,000 plus 4,000 plus 20,000. 12. 4 plus 2, 6, 7. 72 is total operating cost. Total operating cost is 72,000. First, in we have to calculate the total passenger kilometer. Next, fixed level, semi-variable level, variable cost classify ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು we have to write it in the format. Fixed cost are wages, office salary, depreciation, insurance, interest. Okay. The next one is the repairs and the resale value we have to deduct it from that. The last one is variable cost. In that only one cost, that is the diesel. 12,000, 5,000, 13,000, 8,000, 10,000, total 48,000. 5,000 minus 1,000, 4,000. Diesel is 20,000. 48 plus 4 plus 20, that is 72,000. The next working note is calculation of total passenger kilometer and then per we have to calculate. Cost per passenger kilometer. Working note number 3, calculation of cost per passenger kilometer. Calculation of cost per passenger kilometers. Okay, the formula is total operating cost divided by total passenger kilometer. Total operating cost divided by total passenger kilometer. Total operating cost 72,000 divided by total passenger kilometer 3,60,000. Total operating cost 72,000. Total passenger kilometer working out number 1 3,60,000. Or we will working out number 2 divided by 1, we will get working out number 3. The answer is 0.24 passenger kilometer, rupees 0.24 passenger kilometer. I hope you understood how to calculate the total passenger kilometer and operating cost and the cost per passenger kilometer. The next one is problem number 2. Problem number 3. A transport service company runs 4 buses. Number of buses 4 between 2 towns which are 50 miles apart. Distance is 50. Each bus is 40 passengers. Number of sitting capacity is 40 passengers. The following particulars were obtained in the month of April. Number of days April monthly number of days estadava among our days we have to take. Driver salary 2,400, supervisor salary 1,000, diesel oil 4,000, repairs and maintenance 800 rupees, insurance 1,600 rupees, depreciation 2,600 rupees, interest 2,000 rupees, actual sitting capacity 75%. All the 4 buses runs all the days for the month. Each bus made 1 round trip. Nothing but hogi vapas barodu 2 togobekku. Trip per day. Find out the cost per passenger mile. First we have to calculate the total passenger kilometer. Working out number 1. Calculation of total passenger kilometer. Total passenger kilometer. Number of bus, number of trips, distance, sitting capacity into percentage of sitting capacity. number of trips into number of days into sitting capacity into percentage of sitting capacity. Percentage of sitting capacity. Number of buses, say 4 buses trips, 1 round trip ಹೋಗಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರೋದು 2. Number of days, ಏಪ್ರಿಲಲ್ಲಿ 30 days ಇರ್ತವೆ. Into sitting capacity 40 into percentage of sitting capacity 75%. Okay, 0 0 0 0 4 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 75 3,60,000. 3,60,000 is total passenger kilometer. Next, working out number 2. Calculation of total operating cost. Calculation of total operating cost. Total operating cost. Again 3 columns. The first one is particulars. Second one is inner column. Third one is outer column. The first heading is fixed cost. The second one is semi-variable cost, and the third one is variable cost. The first one, fixed cost. Okay. The first one is driver salary fixed, supervisor salary fixed, cost of diesel variable, repairs semi-variable, insurance fixed, depreciation fixed, interest fixed. Okay. I hope you understood the classification. The first one is here driver salary. Driver salary is 2,400 rupees. The second one is supervisor salary. Supervisor salary rupees 1,000. Okay. The next one is insurance. Insurance 1,600. The next one is depreciation. Depreciation is 2,600. The next one is interest. Interest is 2,000. I hope you understood the fixed cost. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first one is driver salary, supervisor salary, insurance, depreciation, and the interest. 2,400 plus 1,000 plus 1,600 plus 2,600 plus 2,000. Total is 9,600. Okay. The second one is semi-variable cost. In that, repairs and maintenance. Repairs and maintenance. Repairs and maintenance 800. The last one is variable cost. Variable cost only one, that is diesel, oil, 4,000. Okay. Add fixed cost, semi-variable cost and variable cost, we will get the total operating cost. Total operating cost 9,600, 800, 4,000, 14,400, 14,400. Okay, I hope you understood how to calculate the total passenger kilometer and the operating cost. Next, working note number 3, calculation of cost per passenger kilometer. Working note number 3, calculation of cost per passenger kilometer. Cost per passenger kilometer is equal to total operating cost divided by total passenger kilometer. Total operating cost 14,400 divided by total passenger kilometer 3,60,000. 14,400 divided by 3,60,000 rupees, 0.04 per passenger kilometers. Passenger kilometer. I hope you understood in your examination section C for 15 marks. ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಾರ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಡೇಸ್, ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ, ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಟಿ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹುಬ್ಳಿ ಟು ಧಾರವಾಡ, ಧಾರವಾಡ ಟು ಹುಬ್ಳಿ ಎರಡನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಇಫ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು, ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಸ್ಸಸ್, ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಸ್, ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೇಸ್, ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ನು ಇಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ 3,60,000 ಯಾವ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪ್ಯಾಸೆಂಜರ್ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ cost per passenger kilometer. I hope you understood the problems based on operating cost sheet. The first one is total passenger kilometer calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ operating. The next one is cost per passenger kilometer. In next session I will discuss another problem based on operating cost sheet. Thank you.